Hey everyone, so we're going to be making an origami boat. I'm going to be taking this one apart because I don't feel like doing everything because it takes about 5 minutes just to do it. So, yeah. You may not get it on the first try, but yeah. So the first thing you want to do is take a note card and color 2 ways, one side and the other. You can see I got orange and green. So the color you want to be on the outside of the boat is that oh, and you want to color it with marker, color pencil, whatever. Start from the background. I'm watching Chowder. And whatever color you want to go on the outside, you want to put it on the inside when you fold it. And then when you fold it, you have 2 corners at the fold part, not at the opening. Not at the opening. Just fold it. And fold the other one. And make sure it's the tip. So make sure both sides is equal and there's no opening. And none is bigger than the other. And then once you've got something like that, you can make an airplane or no. The thing on the opening has 2 tabs. Fold one tab up, take one of the corners, and then have something like this. And then you take that one or whichever, fold it like that. Fold the other one up, and if you fold that one down like that, you want to fold the other one down on top. Then do the same thing except opposite. When you put the opposite one down, you go like that. And then you take that, you want to hold it closed. So right here, that little tab, hold it closed, and then if you can open it, and then fold it. So when you open it, it's gonna be like that, and you just fold it. Take one of the tabs, fold it up. Do the same thing on the other side. Then there's gonna be another opening. Then you take it and you fold it. Then you see, and then you take that like that. Then if it's hard to go like that, maybe drenched in markers, so it might be easier. But then you take your thumb and you go like that, and then you fold it. So thanks for watching. Bye.